It's been no surprise that the market has been down pretty crazy the last couple weeks, and the next move is pretty unknown to the casual person that's trading Solana meme coins. I've decided to take a different type of route today, and I found this sick online site called SoulPump, and we're gonna be actually going through everything and just checking it out. And yeah, so they have all these games like Crash, Coin Flip, Blackjack, and daily case. Hold on now. So every single day you get a daily case, which is pretty crazy because you can pull like 10 Solana out of this case. Let's see. Well, there's different tiers to the case, as you can see up here, and then you have the 10 Sol, 2.51, 0.1. You have to connect your socials to do it. I showed it in my last video actually what I got. I've seen people actually get good stuff out of there, so it's pretty cool, and it's free every single day. So, and as you can see in the top here, we got the cash back, but we're not going to worry about that stuff right now. We're going to do some bets, and we're going to see if we can win anything, because obviously the market's down right now, and I'm taking means in a different route here. So we're going to go for like a 5x, or actually you can choose auto cash out. You can choose all these things. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna have the link to this site in the description. I think this site actually is pretty cool, so you guys can check it out for yourselves. All right, we're in this bet here. We're gonna unmute the tab so you can hear when it crashes if it does. So we're gonna clip 50%, and this is pretty cool because it's kind of like trading. You can actually clip 50% whenever you want. So we're clipping there and break even there basically. So let's just keep going. Let's see if we can get anything interesting here. There's been like 1,000 X's. Like this dude made like, I think he made like 100K today. I'll put the screenshot up on the screen. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Y'all see that? Like rose up like 100 bands. It's actually kind of crazy. He made like 1,000 Sol in one day. So, all right, let's keep doing 50% at 2x if it can get there, and then we'll let the moon bag ride. Let's see. I mean, this is just like a pretty fun thing to do, like when the market's, or just when you're sick of trading. Obviously gamble at your own risk, and it's just it's fun. You can manage your risk on here too. You don't have to do like 10 Sol bets. You can do like 0.1, try to run it up, because obviously when Solana goes back up, you're gonna have like a good amount if you run it up. So either run it up in the trenches or run it up on SoulPump. So you gotta pick one. Let's see. So you can see like 30x, 10, 20. You have all these big numbers. Some of these are smaller. You just got to be smart with like when you get out, So obviously the smart thing is to like clip 50% at a 2x, right? So in my opinion, I think that's what's smart. Then maybe at like a 10x, we'll clip another 50 if it can get there, or maybe like a 5. So we're not like, oh, we can't get to the 5. Hold on now. I'm getting addicted. Hold on, chat. Hold on. All right, let's keep going. Let's see if we can get anything here. Okay, we'll do 50 at a 2x, and then we'll just let it ride. If something crazy happens, yeah. Okay, so nothing too crazy has happened, but we haven't lost anything yet, which is kind of cool actually. So, because I'm pretty sure all of our bets have been above a 2x so far. So let's just keep going, see if we can get like maybe like a 20x. 30, 40, 50, because like mathematically, like if we think about it, like it could, Okay, so we're up for 50%, so now we just like let it ride, and we just see what it can do. So, and it crashed at 3.6, but we're not down anything. So let's do a couple more, and then maybe we'll move on to some other games here. And they also have the chat here where you see everyone typing. Like there's like 250 people on right now, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. All right, let's do a couple more. And obviously we could have took profit on some of these, but that just happened. So let's see if anything can cook up here. Okay. Interesting. But I said I have a good feeling, so gotta keep going low-key. Okay, possibly a 5x here with cash 50. Okay, this might be a send door. This might be a send door, guys. Come on. Let's go to a 10. Let's go to a 10. Sorry if you guys hear my dogs in the back. They're ballistic. They're wild. Okay, 10. Okay, we're actually going up pretty crazy. I think a full cash at like maybe like a 50x could be, you know, the move here. Okay, no, it didn't hit it, but we made profit on that. We're back to where we were, actually more than where we were. So, I mean, that's not bad at all. So maybe we do a little bit of blackjack and then we do something else here. So maybe we just do 0.01 here, and then they also have siders. We'll look at the siders in a little bit. Let's see, 2-2. Hit that, of course. Okay, stand. Oh, we're cooked on that one. We're cooked. And you guys can also view the odds here and everything. It's totally legit. And yeah. Hit that. We're probably gonna bust. Yeah. Hate hitting on anything where I can bust, to be honest, guys. They always pull them 20s. It's kind of crazy. Let's do one more. Okay, like we need to win one hand at least, guys. Like, come on. It's another push. Wow, holy. Come on, we gotta win something here. Oh, I feel like that's just a stand, no? Okay. Hold on now. Hold on now, guys. That's definitely a stand. Interesting. Okay, so we did lose a little bit. Not that much. We kind of lost a lot in a row. I feel like we gotta win this next one now. Okay, yeah, cool. So we won that one. So we basically are back at where we were. So yeah, they also have siders here, guys, and then coin flip. Let's do like one little round of coin flip. So let's go to the most recent, and then you can actually view which ones have won the most. So definitely gonna go for a purple here, and then you can also call a bot, or you can just wait. It might be a little bit laggy when I do this, but let's see. That's a little bit laggy. We want purple. Oh, and then a black. Okay, that's totally fine. Let's do one more on a. Let's go for let's go purple this time. See if I can hit. Come on, purple. And it's black again. Alright, guys, I'm actually ending the video there. We only lost a tiny, like a couple bucks, but it was pretty fun. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. My link's gonna be in the description for this. And I think this site is pretty cool to just play on when the market's down or you're just having a hard time trenching. So yeah, the site is pretty cool, as you guys can see. Everything. And yeah, airdrops, daily case, cashback, like it's pretty good site here, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.